Good morning, I hope you have an amazing day. It's Winner Singh. I am in the Singapore airport and now going to Malaysia. Well, I really enjoyed my 4 days in the Singapore, and thanks to immigration officers who believe me that I'm a YouTuber and allow me to enter into the Singapore. I captured the beautiful moments and uploaded almost 28 videos of the Singapore. I missed actually Universal Studio, but definitely I will come again into the Singapore. And I would say it's the most safest country in the world. Here is my boarding pass from Singapore to Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, and its seat number is 23A and the flight is of 1 hour and it's without breakfast. When you enter into the country, you don't have any options to see the airport, and when you leave the country, you will have a lot of options to shop and to eat the food you like. What a fantastic way to sleep. Well, actually last night I did not sleep because I was eating that red beans ice cream. And now I am hungry and let's go for the breakfast. The coffee beans and the tea leaf. It's an American coffee chain founded in 1963, and they have franchise store more than in 31 countries. And even you can see everyone wants a breakfast from this chain. They have a lot of options in the menu, but I'm going for the coffee and the vegetarian sandwich. Here is my awesomely beautiful sandwich and a coffee. Well, that is a light breakfast option. Well, there are 2 sandwiches and everything is looking incredibly fresh. It's cheese slice, tomato, lettuce and the spinach. And when you order something vegetarian outside of the India, they definitely add spinach in it. Let's have a first bite. I just have a bite of solid cheese. Wow. Mid section of the sandwich has a lot of stuff in it. Wow, I am totally attached with this coffee. Now let's finish the second sandwich. Well, it's just more one bite duty. Well, this coffee cup is equivalent to 2 or 3 cups of small coffee. Well, you can also try the coffee with the white or brown sugar, but I don't like a sugar in a coffee. Well, I would say this is one of my satisfying breakfast of my life. Now let's go for the Malaysia. If you like this video, press the thumb button and please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification first of my more videos. Well, God bless you and your family.